Hey One Hoggers, this is your host Danny Zen, coming to you live from the Northern Hemisphere. First off, I want to say thank you again in advance to Mike Adams and his team there at Brighteon for all of their hard work and also in improving this video. And they have so much videos to improve every day and compared to the huge staff there at the likes of YouTube. And also I want to thank them for approving this video, since the burning of dirty fossil fuels contributes to over 7 million worldwide deaths, according to the World Health Organization. We pollute our groundwater due to hydraulic fracturing, also known as fracking, for natural gas, which is some states' top energy sources, such as where I'm at here in Florida. And also to cook food, even though it doesn't make up a huge percentage of our energy's country usage, it still makes a difference. Okay, so this is going to be a video going over a non-electric way, a non-gas way to cook your food. You can bake, boil, steam your food. You can do everything but deep fat fry with something called the sun oven. Okay, this is the old original global sun oven that I've had since like around 2012. So it's quite beat up. Okay, it only weighs, the new all-American sun oven is blue in color. It weighs about 23 pounds, okay? And I had actually purchased this originally with the dehydrating accessory package, and it came with these leveling racks along with some parchment paper that I don't have anymore. But just to show you what you can cook with, this is a sample of all the yummy food inside, okay, in the new all-American sun oven. And pretty yummy, right? So it's a cloudy day today, but this is recommended for places that have an ultraviolet index typically of 7 or higher, and with full unexposed, unblocked exposure to the sun. Okay, the benefits of using the All-American Sun Oven by Sun Oven International of North Carolina. By the way, stepping back, this company was founded back in 1986 by a Rotarian named Tom Burns, who got into solar cooking, managed some restaurants, even worked at Sandia National Laboratory. And Paul Munson was their former CEO. He stepped down and then sold the company to Mr. Trip Kritz, who's the current owner. They also have a commercial scale version of the All-American Sun Oven called the Villager, and you can actually do some amazing stuff with the Villager, and that's a commercial scale. Let me show you what it looks like there. If you can see, I know it's not very clear, but it's huge. It is the world's largest solar cooker, okay? And it's called the Villager. For those that are really, really excited to know more, you can visit their website. I believe there's going to be a 5-order minimum of these Villager sun ovens, commercial scale, and it might be around $20,000 or so each, with a lead time of a few months, okay? If you do, contact Mr. Trip Kritz for details. By the way, the website is Villager Sun Oven, okay? I'll also have a link in the description below this video where you can watch a video of Mr. Paul Munson going over the features and how to use a Villager, okay? I think they've sold about over 250 of these worldwide. And again, Global Sun Oven International was founded in 1986. Full disclosure, I am an affiliate for the company. And so the other benefits, you're going to have a way to cook off-grid. You're going to save a little bit of money on your energy bills. It's really, really versatile. I mean, you can cook thousands and thousands of recipes, okay? Another benefit, and this is great for ADDers like me, attention deficit disorder, you can virtually impossible to burn your food, okay? And it won't dry out. You can also pasteurize water to kill microorganisms. They even have an optional pasteurizing indicator as an accessory that you can get. And in place of their dehydrating accessory package, they now have something called the Christmas accessory package, which comes with 4 meatloaf pans, 2 brownie pans, that water pasteurization indicator on the bottom there, and then a roll of parchment paper, okay? I'll have a link in the description below a video with my affiliate link where you'll get a free solar sun oven cookbook as well, okay? So, onto the actual sun oven itself. You've got these reflectors, and if this gets beat up or worn out, you can get it a replacement as well, okay? You got 2 latches to keep it tight, the glass lid on. The newer All-American Sun Oven has a 25% thicker glass and has less lead content, so it doesn't block out the sun as much, okay? You've got a built-in temperature, and of course everyone's thinking, how high can it reach the temperatures? Typically between 300 and 400 degrees if it's fully aimed at the full bright sun, no clouds, okay? This is my own black enamel coated cast iron. Does not come with a sun oven, okay? There's a leveling tray here. It's going to be a little different on the new All-American Sun Oven. It'll be more like a rack, okay? And it'll also have a easy sun tracker that the original Global Sun Oven does not come with, but you can get that on their website, sunoven.com, okay? Again, that's sunoven.com. Let me show you what that looks like. Easy tracker. Let's see here. Oh, here it is. Okay, so that's the easy sun tracker, so you can take the guesswork out of it being fully aligned with the sun for maximum temperature and quickest cooking times, okay? And if for some reason you forget my affiliate link, which by the way it is tinyurl.com/buysunoven, as you see here, okay? This is a great Christmas gift, by the way. That link down there, tinyurl.com/buysunoven, B-Y sun oven, okay? That will get you the free solar cookbook, and again, it's a great Christmas gift. You can try to, for some reason that link doesn't work, you can always enter my name under additional notes when you check out, and just put Danny Zen, okay, under additional notes at checkout. So when you go to my shortened link, it'll take you to their website, which is this page here, okay? But anyways, back to the other benefits. You're going to be able to obviously have more peace of mind, in addition to pasteurizing water, a ton of cooking uses. You're going to be able to also dehydrate foods, even make your jerky, dehydrate veggies, fruits, and even herbs. So it's a great way to, if you're a prepper like me, have a way to dehydrate even when the grid's down. You don't have to count on those electric power dehydrators, such as Excalibur is a famous brand for those that know about dehydrators. Okay, and let's see here, what else? Other benefits? Yeah, it's just you can also actually help prevent deforestation, at least with the village or sun oven, since a lot of people in remote areas, they actually have to walk miles just to get wood to, for their cooking fuel. So if you get this in the village or sun oven, you'll be helping people to not deforest, cause deforestation, okay? This thing, according to one video, can take up to a 21-pound turkey is how large the capacity is, okay, of this All-American Sun Oven. And let's see here. It's actually, what's cool about it is it's all pretty much made in the USA. They're assembled in Wisconsin. All but the thermometer are parts from the US. In other countries, by the way, they're in over 200 countries on 5 continents. Okay, I think there's probably over at least 40,000 of these sun ovens sold for both the global and all-American, at least worldwide. Okay, if not just the US. And the sun ovens are sometimes assembled in the countries that they're sold in, okay? And let's see here, what else? Yeah, it's just a great Christmas gift. It's a must-have. It'll be give you a great return on your money, especially when the grid goes down. I do want to say that the new All-American Sun Oven, which again is blue and colored on the outside instead of black, it does come with a T-leg instead of just a standard simple one like on the original Global Sun Oven. So you're going to get a better value. It's going to have a T-leg with ground stakes, so it can be stuck in the ground in case it's windy, a windy day. Okay, and so let's see here. So you latch this on, and again it folds completely up, and it's just 23 pounds. Very easy to use. I'll go ahead and, okay, and it's got a latch. You can close it. Very portable. Great for those people that have recreational vehicles, RVs. Okay, and it's recommended that to keep the wood nice and top shape. Unlike me, you want to put maybe linseed oil once in a while, okay, to keep it last longer. And It's other than that, you know, just keep the inside clean. If you spill food, just wipe it out. And you can even sanitize your dishes. Okay, that's another benefit. So just a great tool to have. You know, I think the price is just a pretty affordable $449. You'll be supporting a great multinational company. I don't know if they donate to charity, but I've been really happy with my sun oven since I got it, like I said, back in 2012. And yeah, it's keeping up even though I beat it and I don't take care of it at all. You got a rubber latch to help you hold it. Okay, so some things from their website that will help you to make an informed decision. And I just love, you can read about the story. Let's see here, what else? Like, that's going to be the Sun Oven cookbook, by the way, that you will get for free if you use my affiliate link, okay? Otherwise, I think it's a $59 value that you're going to get for free. And then I know there's a lot of questions you may be thinking about in the back of your mind. So you can go to their frequently asked questions on that website, okay? It pretty much is the same as a conventional oven. You know, like I said, it's just no way to burn, virtually impossible to burn food, okay? There is a manual, a tutorial on their site when you go to for resources, okay? It'll take you to that and a bunch of digital recipes, okay? And also, let me see here. Yeah, so if you want to learn more, you can also visit my Linktree site. It's going to be Linktree/Solar Cooking for Dummies, okay? L as in Lima, INKTR.ee/Solar Cooking for Dummies, and that's all letters, okay? There'll be some more information there as well. And let's see what else here that could be helpful. Yeah, it just sets up in a matter of seconds. I mean, you have a little girl that could set it up, okay? This is another shot of the Villager Sun Oven. Already showed that. Let's see, if you do place an order, just to let you know, the processing time is anywhere from 2 to 5 business days, okay? Orders are shipped Monday through Thursday, excluding holidays, so make sure you get these orders in before the rush of the holiday shopping season, okay? And let's see what else here. So that's it. I hope this was informative and can help you know about something that could be invaluable, especially during times of crisis or disaster, either man-made or natural. Okay, and like I said, all the questions that you may have are going to be on the frequently asked question page. Okay, everything will be at tinyurl.com/buysunoven. Okay, and the motivation for me becoming an affiliate is to actually, like I said, to have people use less dirty grid electricity, and your investment of one or more All-American Sun Ovens, with or without that Christmas accessory package you will be helping others to not use all the electric or gas appliances, okay? So we will be helping us transition to renewable energy and, of course, to move away from dirty fossil fuels, okay? So please share this with everybody. tinyurl.com/buysunoven will get you that free Sun Oven Solar Cookbook, okay? Again, that's T as in Tango, INYURL.com/BUYSUNOVEN. If you do happen to place an order, to make sure your order ships out in a timely manner, please forward me a copy of your email order confirmation and send that on over to onehouseoffthegrid@gmail.com, okay? ONE houseoffthegrid@gmail.com, and then leave me a voicemail at my landline number, and I'll let you know your scheduled delivery date along with your tracking number, and my landline number 786-441-2727, okay? Again, that's 786-441-2727. Anyways, thank you everybody for your kind time and attention, and look forward to helping you to cook with just the power of the sun and getting your help to counter climate change, sea level rise, since, as always, the greatest threat to our planet is the belief that somebody else will save it. Again, I say the greatest threat to our planet is the belief that somebody else will save it. Thanks again, everybody, and have a happy holiday. And be sure to share this video with everybody and watch the links below the description of this video. Take care.